We're out here at 220 Stone Trace Court in Alvaton, Kentucky, right off of Scottsville Road in the Stone Trace neighborhood. This is a beautiful property that sits on 3.44 acres. It's got 4 beds, 3.5 baths, a formal dining room, bonus room, office, and unfinished basement. Come on in, we'll show you around. As soon as you enter, you have an office to your right. You've got a formal dining room to your left that enters straight into a spacious living room with vaulted ceilings. This kitchen features granite countertops throughout, a farmhouse sink, a pot filler over the gas range, and a double oven for all your baking needs. Hey, we're standing here in the master suite at 220 Stone Trace Court. This is a beautiful, spacious room. It's got hardwood on the floors, coffered ceilings up top, and a bathroom you can only dream of. It's got heated floors, a walk-in closet for him and her, a double vanity sink with granite countertops.